Okay, I'll tell you a story that I heard from some senior technicians. Do you know how these numbers 10, 20, 200, 50-day moving average came about? Because everyone reads this in these books, 10, 50, 200, 10, 50, 200. Because the technicians of that were like 50 or 40, 60 years back who wrote these books didn't have computers. So it was easy for them to round up the numbers. So they were basically adding so to calculate, it made easy for them to calculate the moving average. So a 10-day moving average was just add it up and then move one decimal to the left. Same thing with 50, same thing with 200. That's how it started and then kept passing on. So there is no magic number. If you want to be keeping it 250, because that's how many trading days there are in a year, keep it 250, as long as it is consistent and meaningful. But don't start curve fitting. I'll take the 262 moving average on this market and the 239.4 fall in another one. Just keep it consistent.